Hello everyone, Kevin Hustek here, Director of Technology for Warrenwood Public Schools. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. On this week's episode, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Word to open and edit PDF files. And while this will not always work for every PDF file, especially ones that are loaded down heavily with graphics and images, it will help you to have a starting point if you need to bring a PDF file into Microsoft Word. Let's begin. So let's say that I have a PDF file that I need to edit because I cannot find the original Word document. For this example, I'm going to use my MyTel phone guide, and I need to take out something. So what I need to do is open up Microsoft Word, go into File, Open, Browse, and then I'm going to browse to where I have that PDF document. I'm going to click it. Click OK on the message that it says it's going to convert a PDF to an editable Word document, and then it may take a while. You'll notice the progress bar goes across the bottom. And depending on how large the PDF file is that you're trying to open, it may take a while. Once it's complete, Microsoft Word will present it to you in the way that it was able to extract it from a PDF back to a Word document. And as I mentioned, the formatting is not always going to be the best. You may need to move things around. It's going to try its best so that you don't have to start from scratch. In this case, it pulled it through pretty well. I'm going to take out what I didn't want in there anymore, and then I can go to File, Save as a Word document, or I can save it back to a PDF, and that's it. I hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching Tech Tip Tuesday.